The Delhi police has succeeded in deporting Bangladeshi nationals who have been settling in India. And in the view of busting the racket which was operating and the syndicate which was operating in the Delhi NCR to settle more infiltrators from Bangladesh through donkey routes into India has been busted. In the latest, in fact, 4 people, including the mastermind, has also been busted. The syndicate has been busted by the southern range of the Delhi police. The southern district police has busted this racket, which was being operated by the mastermind Anish, as in fact in compliance with his wife. The route through which these people and more Bangladeshi nationals were given space into the national capital were through the Meghalaya border. From Bagmara in India to, in fact, Durgapur in Bangladesh, these people were given the kind of route, and through these routes, 4 people, total 4 people have been arrested who were operating this entire nexus. In this nexus, the Delhi police has also recovered more fake documents, including PAN cards and Aadhaar cards. 6 Aadhaar cards and 5 PAN cards have been recovered by the Delhi police. And now the investigation to also look into more people who were a part of this Bangladeshi infiltration nexus to be settling into the national capital is being done. What importantly is also to be seen that there are 4 modules in which these people were given refuge in India, and they were brought from the first module to Durgapur in Bangladesh to Bagmara. The Meghalaya border was being used through the jungle routes, and through these routes the wife of the mastermind used to bring them from Kolkata, who used to speak Bengali, and then get them settled into the national capital. The investigation into this thorough nexus is being done by the Delhi police further to ascertain who in fact are all these rackets and agents which were operating to get more infiltrators settled into the national capital. This is Simran with video journalist Avdesh for NewsX.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.